Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we talk about online business ideas, side hustles, and ways to make money online. So if you want to learn how to build income online, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. The first website is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms where you can offer services like graphic design, video editing, writing, digital marketing, virtual assistants. Many freelancers make $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their skills. The second website is Fiverr. On Fiverr, you create small service packages called gigs. You can sell services like logo design, SEO services, social media management, website design. Many beginners start with small projects and gradually build their reputation. The third website is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform pays users for completing small tasks such as data entry, image tagging, surveys, simple research tasks. It's a good option if you want simple online tasks to earn money. The next website is Freelancer.com. This platform works similarly to Upwork, where businesses post projects and freelancers bid on them. You can find projects in programming, design, marketing, writing. Another popular freelancing website is PeoplePerHour. It allows freelancers to sell services and get hired by companies looking for remote talent. If you are good at listening and typing, Rev is a great option. Rev pays people for transcription, captioning, subtitles. You simply listen to audio files and convert them into text. Another interesting website is UserTesting. Here you get paid to test websites and apps and give feedback about the user experience.